In front of me here a dummy bullet CCTV camera, which you can see in front of me. So you can see here it's actually a very impressive camera to look at in terms of it's a metal housing, it's quite large, and it's very realistic in terms of its general design. So just some of the key features on it is that it has a sliding mechanism here, so you can just replicate that if you wanted to put a cover on top of it, like you normally would to protect from sun glare or from rain, etc. You can slide that along. And if we look underneath here, we have two cables sticking out here, and we also have a little mounting bracket here, which we can use for putting a bracket onto it. What else came with it? Well, we would have these plugs and bolts here, which are plugs and screws, which are used for actually mounting the bracket, and then we have the actual bracket itself. So what I'm going to do here is I'm just going to do a quick assembly of the bracket here. Just rotate that around. The first part of it assembled like that. What we do then is I'm just going to loosen off this mechanism here. I just slide this down over here, and once I have it locked in position there, I can just rotate that and I can just lock it onto it. And now when I want to screw this on here, what I'll do is I'll just screw it down like that, and we can just come along and we can just rotate it around like this a few times. And we just lock it into position, and then I can do the final tightening up like that. And then we can just adjust this whatever way we want in terms of angle, etc. And we can just adjust it to the angle that we want to point it in, okay? And I've loosened off this angle here for just to be able to do this, okay? So we'll just adjust that around on that basis. So the camera itself, it's actually, I would find it probably of all the range of cameras in terms of just purely the look of it, it's far and away the most realistic in terms of it looks like a full commercial type of camera. This is a real camera of that type of spec. You're probably talking a camera that costs you a couple of €100. So from that perspective, it's impressive. And it's part of a wider range of dummy cameras and CCTV cameras, equipment, DVRs, cabling, connectors, etc. that we stock on the tvtrade.ie website.